So, you think aging is a slow walk towards a rocking chair? Ha! Let's think again. Welcome, my fine friends, to the Aging Olympics, the most enduring, riveting, and yes, amusing race of a lifetime. Picture this, you donned in the finest athletic gear, running a marathon through the decades. Instead of hurdles, you've got life's little challenges. And instead of a finish line, well, let's just say, the journey is the destination here. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Where's the thrill? Well, the thrill is in the everyday. Each day is a new event, a new chance to win a gold medal in this ongoing Olympics. From tying your shoelaces without huffing and puffing to chasing after your grandkids, or simply making it up the stairs without needing a breather, these are your competitions, your events. And the medals, they're the twinkle in your eye, the spring in your step, the vitality that keeps you not just going, but thriving. But here's the secret. You can't win the Aging Olympics on luck alone. No, it requires strategy, dedication, and a certain je ne sais quoi. And that, dear friends, is where we come in. We're here to share some golden tips, not generic, mind you, but tailored specially for you, to help you stay healthy, active, and ever ready to take on the next event. So, tie your metaphorical shoelaces, warm up those joints, and get ready to embrace a new perspective on aging. It's not about slowing down, it's about keeping up the pace, embracing the race, and doing it all with a smile on your face. With us, you're not just growing older, you're becoming a seasoned athlete in the Aging Olympics, where the only opponent is time and the only goal is to keep doing what you love for as long as you can. So are you ready for the most exciting Olympics of your life? Let's dive into those golden tips. The first secret to our Aging Olympics is the power of the plate. Now, some of you might think that eating healthy means bidding farewell to all that's tasty, but let me assure you that's as true as the Loch Ness Monster having tea with Bigfoot. Healthy food can be as delicious as it is nutritious, and I'm not just talking about the occasional fruit salad. Imagine a juicy tomato, ripe and red, bursting with flavor. Pair it with fresh basil, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of sea salt. You've got yourself a beautiful, nutritious and scrumptious salad that's far from boring. Or consider a hearty bowl of oatmeal, topped with a swirl of honey and a sprinkling of nuts. It's not just a breakfast dish, it's a powerhouse of fiber and protein. Remember, your plate is your secret weapon. Use it wisely, my friends. Next up, we have a magic potion. Any guesses? It's water. Yes, you heard it right, the simple, humble AH2O. You see, water isn't just water, it's the life force that keeps our bodies ticking like a finely tuned clock. Imagine, if you will, a river. When it's flowing freely, it's a thing of beauty, full of vitality. But when it dries up, it becomes a barren, lifeless wasteland. Our bodies are much the same. When we're well hydrated, our bodies function smoothly, our brains are sharp and our skin glows. But when we forget to drink enough water, things start to slow down, our minds get foggy, and our skin starts to look like a prune. Consider water your personal elixir of life. It hydrates, it detoxifies, it rejuvenates. So don't neglect it. Keep your river flowing, and your body and mind will thank you. So, my dear friends, drink up. Your magic potion is waiting. Ever wondered about the secret of eternal youth? It's called exercise. Yes, you heard it right, folks. Exercise is not just about building those biceps or flaunting a beach-ready physique. It's the elixir of life, the fountain of youth that keeps the clock from ticking too fast. Now you might be thinking, but I can't run a marathon or lift weights like a bodybuilder. Well, you don't have to. The beauty of exercise is its versatility. A brisk walk around the park, a fun salsa class, or even a game of fetch with your dog, it all counts. And here's the best part. Regular exercise can help boost your energy, maintain your independence, and manage symptoms of illness or pain. It's like having a magic wand that not only keeps you young, but also makes you feel like a superhero. So, who's ready for a sip from this fountain? On your marks, get set, go! Now, who doesn't love a good beauty sleep, but did you know it's also a health booster? Let's delve into the world of slumber, where dreams are crafted and health is magically restored. You see, sleep isn't just an indulgence, it's a necessity. It's like a free luxury spa for your body and mind, a rejuvenating elixir that keeps you at the top of your game. When you're snoozing away in dreamland, your body is busy repairing cells, boosting immunity and sharpening the mind. It's like your personal team of health elves working the night shift. And if you've ever wondered why they call it beauty sleep, well, here's a little secret. It's during sleep that your skin gets its much-needed restoration, giving you that fresh, youthful glow. So remember, getting a good night's sleep isn't just about chasing away those pesky under-eye circles. It's an essential part of staying healthy as we age. Sleep tight and wake up right. Scene script. Next up, we're going to transform you into a social butterfly. So let's talk about social connections. You know, those lovely folks who genuinely laugh at your jokes, even when they're as dry as the Sahara. Yes, those people. They are quite essential, you see. Just as a car needs fuel to run, we humans need social interaction to keep our mental engines revving. Now you might be thinking, I'm a bit of a lone wolf, you know. Well, dear friend, even lone wolves howl at the moon, and it's not because they are trying to perfect their singing voice. It's their way of seeking connection, of reaching out. And you, my friend, are no different. Being socially active doesn't necessarily mean you have to be the life of the party, dancing on tables and belting out show tunes. No, it's about maintaining meaningful relationships, having those heart-to-heart chats, sharing a laugh or two, and even shedding a tear when the situation calls for it. And let's not forget the wonders of technology. You might be miles away from your loved ones, but you're just a video call away from seeing their smiling faces. It's like teleportation, minus the fear of being turned inside out. So be a butterfly, flit from flower to flower, spreading joy and soaking in the warmth of companionship. It's good for your mental health, and it's a great excuse to share those Sahara-dry jokes of yours. And remember, it's not about having a sea of acquaintances, but about having a handful of close friends. Quality over quantity, as they say. So, reach out to that old friend you haven't spoken to in a while. Call up your family. Organize a virtual game night. Do whatever tickles your fancy, as long as it involves connecting with others. Don't be the garden gnome standing solitary in the yard. Be the butterfly, spreading its wings and fluttering from one social gathering to another. So ready to spread your wings? Last but not least, we have the most powerful tool of all, positivity. Positivity. Now, this isn't about pretending that everything is all sunshine and roses. No. It's about taking a moment to recognize that even the cloudiest of days have a silver lining. You see, your mindset plays a significant role in your overall health and well-being. It's like a pair of glasses. If you're wearing a pair smeared with gloom and doom, the world is going to look pretty bleak. But if you clean those glasses with a bit of positivity, suddenly things aren't so bad. Take the common cold, for instance. Now, I'm not saying a positive mindset will make you immune, if only it were that easy. But studies have shown that a positive attitude can indeed help boost your immune system. It's as if your body says, oh, we're feeling good today. Well then, let's kick these germs to the curb. And it's not just about physical health. Positivity can do wonders for your mental well-being too. Ever had one of those days where you feel like you've got a rain cloud following you around? Well, a positive outlook can be like a little personal sunshine, helping to break up that cloud and make your day a bit brighter. Now, I understand that maintaining a positive mindset isn't always easy. Life can throw some pretty hefty curveballs, but remember, positivity isn't about ignoring the challenges. It's about facing them head-on with the belief that you have the strength and resilience to overcome. So the next time you're feeling down, try to find that silver lining, that glimmer of positivity. It might be a beautiful sunset, a good book, or even a delightful cup of tea. The little things can make a big difference, and before you know it, you'll be feeling better, both in mind and body. Remember, a positive mind is a winning mind. Well, that's a wrap, folks. I hope you're ready to take on the Aging Olympics now. We've charged through 7 top-notch tips, each one a gold medalist in its own right. Remember, your plate is your greatest ally or your worst enemy. Load it up with nutritious goodness and it'll reward you with strength and vitality. And don't forget about the magic potion. Oh no, not some mystical elixir, but simply water. Hydrate, hydrate, and hydrate. Then there's the secret of eternal youth, the one we've all been searching for. It's not a fountain or a genie's lamp, but regular, consistent exercise. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep, the social butterfly effect, and the power of positivity. Each plays a crucial role in your journey towards graceful aging. So let's age like fine wine, shall we? Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep winning those medals.